You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, useful word and interesting word in English. Let's break it down. There are two slightly different pronunciations. In British English, it's normally pronounced as force. Force. In American English, in the US as opposed to the UK, it's pronounced as force. Force. How to pronounce force or force. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.